What's this one, Noel?
Welcome back, everyone. Today we're doing a garlic ginger chili, sesame carrot and lemon mayonnaise bap. This is going to be a fairly short video because everything that's here actually cooks very quickly. So I'm just going to pass off the ingredients for the mayonnaise to JJ,
To my father.
while I get started on the sesame carrots. So it's just a bit of oil, carrots grated, now you're not looking to give this very long because you still want to have a bit of bite left in it. So while these are on, JJ, you want to talk through?
Yeah. So what I'm doing here is I am just taking just some ordinary mayonnaise, zest and juice of a lemon in there. Again, if you mix this and leave it for a little while, it should get really full of flavour. I have a little bit of parsley here thrown into it as well, okay?
So now that the mayonnaise is ready and the carrots are started, I'm going to add just another small bit of oil to a second pan. This is your diced chilli, garlic and ginger. So I'm just going to add a nice handful of that in. You want to take that off the heat. You're just looking to release the aromats in it. And then these are raw prawns, peeled and deveined. You're looking at maybe like 100 grams per person for a sandwich, so it's maybe 6 decent sized ones each. So they can go straight in. Drop another bit of oil. These aren't going to take long because with prawns, the more you start to overcook them, the tougher they're going to become. So now the carrots are starting to soften a small bit, I'm just going to put in a drop of sesame oil, sesame seeds, now I'm just going to add a small bit of brown sugar into the carrots.
Oh, smells good.
Just add a little bit more sweetness to it because the sesame is going to actually kind of overpower the taste of the carrots ever so slightly.
So I'm just going to dress the baps with a little bit of the mayonnaise, and I'm also going to shred this lettuce and I'm going to dress that with a little bit of mayonnaise as well. So this is romano lettuce. Into a bowl. A little bit of mayonnaise in here, just to
So now that the prawns are ready, we are just going to finish our assembly and then we shall eat it.
yeah.
So you want to put the carrots on next? Give it a little bit of a squeeze.
This is our prawn chili garlic sandwich.
Sesame carrots,
Yep.
shredded lettuce, lemon mayonnaise, served on a bap.
Yeah. So what we'd like you to do is subscribe, comment, give us 5 ingredients, and we'll make a dish out of it. If we pick your 5 ingredients and we put your name up on it, then we'll try and get in touch with you and we'll send you one of our It's Forkin Delicious shirts.
Speaking of which, that's what the sandwiches do.
Yes.